Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Michael Daniel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is my message out to the English educational community of Quebec. It's my third last video, and so I will try and keep it short and have more to say in the last couple ones. First thing I want to mention is that we did just launch the I Belong To project, and it has started off with a real bang. We've got more applications at the beginning of the year than we had in all of the year last year. That's again thanks to our friends on the PRT, the Provincial Resource Team, along with Emma Legault and Carolina Tato, who've done just amazing work to get it out there. Speaking of Carolina, this is the second year in a row that she's won a communications award. So I want to congratulate her and tell her that we're very proud of her as an organization, all the work that she's done. She's really been amazing in bringing our whole community educational organization out to the community. So congratulations again and well done, Carolina. Don't stop. Our AI project and tutoring is about to launch. We've worked with some social science tutors already, and we're hoping that our first iteration of this generative AI tutorial will really be something amazing. So we're keeping our fingers crossed, and I'll keep you posted on that. I think it's one of the most important projects that we've worked on in years. So as I said, more to follow on that particular topic. No surprise, our tutorials are off to an amazing start. Within a few days, we already had 2-3 days, we had 3,000 appointments booked, or something along those lines. The numbers are just outstanding. Again, as I say all the time, it's just a tribute to the work that our virtual campus team does, and also to the fact that there's a tremendous need for this within our community. So hats off, and don't stop doing the great work here. It's really very much appreciated. Our PED team, led by Christine Truesdale, again, they keep providing workshops that are so needed and appreciated by our teachers across the community. I know that we had a full house on Friday in our offices, so clearly they're answering a need there. Kudos as well. I just want to highlight that when people ask me who is Learn, what do we do, it's really hard to keep it short and sweet. All I can tell you is that we are constantly, and to the best of our abilities, answering needs within the community. We don't just make these up or pull them out of our hat. We are actually answering needs as they're expressed to us by teachers, administrators, parents, students. So as long as we keep doing that, I think we're in a good place. I also want to congratulate and thank Stéphane Lagacé, who's our new chair for our board of directors. He's come on, and he's coming on strong. He's really committed to getting our whole community behind us, selling our message to the Ministry of Education. I still have some issues with them. Recently, there was a large amount of money that was given to another organization, and nothing came to the English community of Quebec, simply assuming that the other organization will serve us, which is really not the case. So I'm hoping that Stéphane will get the message across and make it clear that Learn speaks for English Quebec, that we are part of the school boards, that we're not a third-party organization, and that we should be recognized and appreciated as such by the Ministry of Education, appreciated the way our community appreciates us. And that's, again, maybe too much to ask. All right, I will leave you now. Wishing you all a great October. Have a happy Halloween. I'll see you in November. Probably by the time we get to my next CEO message, we will have the name of the new CEO, and I'll be ready to share that with you. Have a great day, great month. Bye-bye.